Hi, my name is Jared. I'm the Repair Center Manager at BARTEC US. And today, I'm going to show you how to replace the keypad on an MC93. Let's get to it. Now, you want to make sure you have your T8 torque screwdriver. And you're going to need to remove 4 screws from this device. You got 2 screws here, you got one here and one here. And then on the back of the device, one here and one here. Now, let's remove these 2 from the front. Now these are the longer ones, and then you got smaller ones on the back side of the device. All right, we got those 2 out. Now let's go ahead and lay it face down. And let's go ahead and get these. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to take out the battery. You want to take out the battery. Make sure you do that. Don't be like me. Remove the battery. Alrighty. Get these smaller screws out. And you got one over here on the other side. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and shake them out. Now you got the 2 latches on the inside you're going to have to pull down. If you have trouble with it, you can take your torque screwdriver also and slide it down. Alrighty. Then you want to take this latch up here in the front and go ahead and pull it out. Once again, latch up front top, go ahead and pull that out, and there you go. Now, that's how you replace the keypad on an MC93. Now, if you would like to purchase an MC93 or purchase another keypad, go to bartecshop.com, or you can reach out to sales@bartec.com. If you have any technical questions, you can reach out to me at jarrod.jones@bartec.com. And I'd like to thank you for watching this video.